Hey, rabbit. Is it gone? Oh, I can't see it. Is the bunny rabbit gone? Hello, bunny. Where are you? Is it in there? Hello. There's the little bunny.
Baby bunny.
It is a little baby bunny, isn't it? Hop, hop, hop.
Buddy, buddy, buddy. Buddy, 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 buddy. Buddy, buddy, buddy.
Do you think the mummy bunny is there? The mummy bunny's gone.
Baby buddy.
Baby bunny. Hello, little baby bunny.
Eating grass.
Yes, it's eating grass.
That's true.
Yes. The bunny likes to eat the grass. It's its favorite food.
Owl ice.
Not owl ice cream. It eats grass. It's not a gruffalo. It's a little bunny.
Daddy.
Oh. It's not a baby gruffalo either. It's a little bunny.
Daddy Gruffalo.
It's not a daddy gruffalo. It's a little bunny.
Daddy Gruffalo.
Are you a mummy gruffalo? You're a gruffalo?
Yeah.
So do you have knobbly knees and turned out toes and a horrible wart at the end of your nose? Oh no! Oh help! Oh no! You're a gruffalo! Run away! Run away from the gruffalo! You're the gruffalo, so you can't run away from yourself. She's the gruffalo, so I don't know why she's running away. We're supposed to be running away from her. Hello, gruffalo. Are you? Running! Running! Yay! Well done! Very good at running. You see Sisiano running? Run, 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 run. She's running. She's very good at running. Oh, sweetie. And now she's at the gate. Running! Let's see where this little bunny is. Oh, it's hiding. You want to see the bunny? Come, sweetie, the bunny's still here. Do you want to say hello, baby bunny?
Toes.
Oh, you've got stones. Well done. Thank you. Your stones, yes. It's a cute little bunny. Yes. Another one, thank you. Look, the baby bunny is waiting and it's wondering what we're doing.
No toes.
No, those aren't stones. Throw them away, please.
My toes.
Yes, you can keep your stones. What are you going to do with
Dirty.
your stones? Yes. The other stuff is dirty.
My toes.
Yes, those are your stones.
My caddies.
We should have brought your bucket.
I can't bucket.
Yes, we should have brought your bucket.
My dirty pockets. My Mummy's caddies.
Okay, Mummy will carry it. Little Bunny is very happy.
My bucket.
Hello, little bunny. How are you?
Caddy. Mummy caddy.
Thank you, sweetie. Oh, yeah?
Shoes.
Oh, yeah? Next time we'll bring your bucket. Ah, we've got stone. And we'll put them... No, you have to look that way. We've got stones, yes. You can take your stones nicely while we say hello to the little bunny.
My toes.
Your stones?
Your shoes.
Your stones?
My toes.
Mummy stones?
My toes.
Oh,
My toes.
that's good. And we need
Baby
to... Those are little baby stones, aren't they? The bunny's very, very quiet. Do you think he can see you? And say hello, baby bunny. Yeah, wave to the bunny. Oh, he can't see you. Or maybe he's just being very quiet.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Hello, baby. Let me just go pick up one guy. Because Daddy's going in.
Baby.
Yeah, baby, baby. Your stones, yes. Yes, you. Let's move baby closer to us. Because Daddy's inside now. Let's move baby closer. Where did you put your stones?
No,
Where did you put them?
my toes.
You still got them in your hand.
My toes.
Well, there are more.
My toes.
Oh dear. Yeah, you can get some more over there. Next time we'll bring your bucket, okay? Where this little baby bunny is. Oh, here. Hello, baby bunny. The stones of the bunny. Oh no. Ow. Hello, baby, baby.
Ducky. Ducky. Rock. Duck. Duck.
Yuck.
Ducky toes.
What's wrong with those stones? Why are they yucky? And that's not a stone.
These toes. These toes.
Yes, these ones are stones. Hello, baby. Hiya, Nana. Hi. I know, I wish you could see. But Daddy should have taken you down so you could see. Mummy can't lift you with one hand, can't unbuckle you with one hand. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, you want to come down, don't you? Okay, let's say bye to the bunny then. You dropped it.
My toes. My flower. My flower.
Oh, you dropped your flower. Yeah. Ano? Ano?
Bye bye.
Not to the bunny, to Mummy's camera.
Bye
Yeah, we'll carry on playing with Bunny. I just want to take Sweetie down. I want to take Wungai down. Okay? Alright, see you guys later. And bye bye from the bunny. Bye bye.